Hey y'all, I am back with another Rollerset video, and today I'm using some new products from Kiss Colors and Care to achieve these bomb results. So let's get into it. First, I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. The better products you use to prep your hair, shampoo and condition wise, the better your results are going to be, and that's real tea. So I go ahead and section off my hair. I'm using plenty of water. Truly, this mousse surprised the heck out of me, okay? I initially did this Rollerset as a sponsored post on Instagram, and I had to do a longer version here on YouTube because I really wanted to walk y'all through how this stuff worked for me. I was super impressed. And so as you can see, I'm going in with a basic Rollerset routine where I'm using mousse and plenty of water, like I said, to saturate my hair before actually using my tension rollers to actually roll my hair. Now, I've already linked all the rollers and everything else, tools, clips that I use for my hair to create my roller sets down below, so make sure you check that out. And now I'm done sitting under the dryer. I sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And this is one of my favorite parts, of course, is the takedown. Now make sure your hair is 100% dry because that is how you're gonna really lock this style in. And as you can see, my hair is so shiny, bouncy, soft, like it was crazy. I was shocked. This mousse actually has Jamaican black castor oil in it, peppermint, so it's really good for your scalp as well and just like your overall hair growth journey. And so now that I've taken the rollers out, I'm just gonna brush through my hair because I'm going to actually wrap it in saran wrap. Now this is something that a lot of salons do, and I'm not the best at this, y'all, okay? I'm not, but I get it done, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use the saran wrap to seal my hair, and this just basically locks in moisture and gives you like a smoother look. I usually sit under the dryer again like this for about 10 minutes or so on low or medium heat. So once that's finished, I do my second favorite part, which is actually brushing this out. And as you can see, I still have volume, I still have body and some curl, but it did calm down the curls a bit, so it's not as like stiff. And so of course I've got to go in with my edge fixer. This stuff is so good, and that's it. Like, this roller set was bomb, and I was so shocked that it came out so good.